cardboard, plain paper, 2 glue, paper cups, some thread, color paper, a ruler, pencil, scissors. So as we need 2-3 pieces of cardboard, I made 2 shapes on this plain paper. I will use it as a stencil. Now let's cut the part. I will use it as I will put this on the cardboard and draw around it. Shapes on cardboard to write around it. Draw around it. We have to find the center part to make a hole. We just have to fold it twice. And here it is. Now we put it here and poke a hole in it. Now, same for the other one. I have drawn the outer lines of the pieces. I will tell my mom to cut them out because she doesn't let me use the cutter. While I is cutting the cardboard, I will make 3 holes on these paper cups. We have to make the exact 3 parts. Let's measure it. I have marked it. Now let's make the hole. I have made the holes. Time to tie the thread. My 4 parts are ready. Let's glue them together. properly, I added these black clips on both of them. Let's stick the color paper on it, on the pieces. Now, let's cut it. Let's glue it now. Gluing is almost done. Look. I will use this box as the base. Let's glue the top. I have glued all the sides now. Time to fix our cups. We have to fix 2 cups on the 2-sided holes. I have fixed the 2 cups now. See? Whoa. We made a cut over here. I'm going to put this inside. Let's fix it together with this nail. Now it's done. So our wing scale is ready. Let's see if it works. Well, it works fine. Let's add something else over here. Well, it's much more heavier. Bye. Thank you for watching my video, and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.